Welcome guys to a new video. Today I want to show you how to change the oil on a transfer case in a Mazda CX-9 2008. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this plug right here with a T55 Torx, and we're gonna grab a few extension branches in order for us to reach there. If you guys wanna probably make room for you guys, make sure you remove this intake here. You don't have to remove it all the way, you just have to move it to the side. Okay, so now we're gonna get our Torx in there and get the plug out. Okay guys, so make sure it's tight. That was really tight. Finally, we got it loose. Okay. So that's where we're gonna fill our transmission fluid. Okay. See? Okay guys, make sure you have a drain pan. I only have this one right now, but I know there's supposed to be a lot more oil. I think it's like 7 quarts that go inside the transfer case. This is for 5 quarts. I know that some fell when from my transmission lines going into the radiator. So I know there's less, but in any case, I can just grab another box. I would just grab another box, bigger one, a bigger pan. Yeah, you don't want to make a mess here, so we'll go ahead and remove this screw. Okay, we got the right one. It's gonna go. Let's see which way. Like that. Should go like that. Okay. There we go. It's loose. So we'll remove this guy here. See, there's not much. It's pretty bad. It's pretty brown. Yeah, we're gonna change it. Okay, and now we have to remove this one. This is the big one. So we need an Allen wrench. So just get the biggest one you have. Okay guys, so when we remove this plug here, this is the level plug. You have to use a 17mm hex. Okay. It's hard. It's not pretty tight. So I'm gonna have to use both hands. Okay guys, so I was able to get this loose. Let's see, hopefully we won't make a mess here. We're gonna remove this one. Okay, so there's a bunch of oil. Well, maybe not, there's not much in there. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so there was much oil in there, and it's all black. It's not clean at all. So we're gonna let it drain. we're gonna let it drain for a while, 10-20 minutes, maybe an hour. Okay, so we're gonna come back, put this plug back in, and then we're gonna add our new oil. Okay guys, so we're back here. We're gonna put our plug back in. Let's see where this guy here. This is our level plug. See how it has a hole in the middle? So when we put this back on and then we fill this, we're gonna fill it from the top. So as it goes and fills up, when it reaches a certain level, it's gonna start coming from this hole, coming out from this hole to the bottom. So we fill it up, and when we start seeing oil coming from here, that means it's on the right amount. We put the right amount on the transfer case. Okay, so let's put this back on. Still dripping, but that's okay. Okay, we want to make sure it's tight with our 17mm hex. Okay guys, so we're gonna get our funnel in there like that. Okay, and then we're gonna fill it up with new transmission fluid. Okay, I'll put it on a different plastic bottle, that way it doesn't spill from the original bottle that it comes in. Okay, so the way we're gonna do this is better if you have somebody to see in the bottom when the thing starts dripping. That's when we are supposed to stop filling this funnel, this transfer case. So now I'm just gonna add some. It's not much. It's probably like 2 quarters, and this takes about 7 quarters, I think it says. Anyways, check the bottom. I don't see anything dripping, so we're gonna add more. Okay, so finish adding the rest of this. Okay, that's one bottle. And we're gonna add the rest. Okay, see, that makes it easier if you have less. Okay, we added about 4 quarts. Okay, so it's dripping. That means that's all we need. Okay. So okay, so now we're gonna close the plug. Okay. Okay guys, so when it starts coming out from here, that means it's at the level that we should have this. So now we're gonna put this little one back in. It's not draining anymore, so let's put this. We're gonna tie it with our T40. This one is a T40, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna switch this one to our T40. Okay, I'll put it back. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this. 1 second. Okay guys, now that we had our oil overflow through the level plug and then we closed it, now we're gonna close this one. Okay, we're gonna close the top plug. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's tight. Okay guys, okay, so we got all our things back in. We got our intake, our pipes, everything. So now we're gonna turn the car on. I take this out, remove the jack. Okay, it might be dead, so we might need to charge it. The battery might be dead. Okay, so let's get a charger. Okay, so we're gonna charge our battery. I'm gonna put the link on the description so you guys can get one of these. It's a portable charger. We're gonna plug this in. Okay, so now we're gonna start the car.